Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Naveen. In this video, I will be discussing about intraday stocks to trade tomorrow. The date will be 26th August 2021. The first stock I have picked to trade tomorrow is HDFC Bank. HDFC Banks, if you check the price action in daily time frame, you see that and on 18th August we got the huge sellers from this point around 1565 level, and after that buyers came into force and the price is currently at the same level, same resistance level 1565 level. So I have already marked the level. Let me go to the 1 hour time frame. See, this is the resistance level where the price has fallen from this level. It has been tested for the multiple times. 3 times it has tested. Yesterday also the high was the same. Let me go to the daily time frame. If you check the high of that 18th August, the high was 1565, 1565, and 24th August high was 1564.5, and today high is 1564.80. It is almost the same, which comes around the round number 1565 level. So let me go to the 15 minutes time frame. If you check the any price pattern at this level, any chart pattern at this level, we can see that we have an flag and pole pattern in this. So let me show you. This is the flag. Okay. This is the pole. We got the bullish pin at this level. It is kind of a flag and pole kind of pattern, right? We got the bullish momentum and the price is stuck in the symmetrical triangle. If it gives breakout above this 1565 level, we can trade this on the buy side. So in tomorrow's trading session, if you find any 15 minutes candle closing above this level, any 15 minutes candle closing above this level, we can trade this on the buy side. At least one 15 minutes candle should close above 1565 level. Your stop loss will be below 1565 and your take profit should be at 1585 level, this swing point. So in tomorrow's trading session, if the stock closes, any 15 minutes candle closes above 1565 level, we can trade this on the buy side with the target of 1565. If we didn't trade according to our expectation in tomorrow's trading session, it might fulfill our expectation in upcoming days. Though it is expired tomorrow, it might trade in the sideways. So in case of any breakout above this 1565 level, only after that we are trading this on the buy side. The next stock is Larsen & Toubro Infotech. If you check the candlesticks in daily time frame, if you observe previous 4 days candles including today's candle, you see that if you see this the 20th August candle, the price made a high. From there the sellers came into force and closed at this level 4917 level. In after that buyers came into force and made a rally on the buy side, right? Again sellers came in. Today buyers came into force. So the buyers are pushing the price of this stock on the higher side, right? So buyers are in the control of this stock. So in tomorrow's trading session, let me go to the daily 1 hour time frame. See, we got this resistance level. So we got this resistance level. So in tomorrow's trading session, we can trade this on the buy side above this level, 5135 level. Either trade above this level or at this trend line. This is the support trend line. So let me go to the 15 minutes time frame. Any 15 minutes candle closing above 5135 level, you can initiate a buy trade. So there is a possibility of giving breakout above this resistance trend line. So I'm expecting a move something like this in tomorrow's trading session. If you didn't get entry at this 5135 level, you can look for the buy opportunities at this support trend line. So do mark these levels in your trading chart too, so that it will be helpful in the live market. So you might get the entry at this level. So you might get the entry at 5030 level or above 5130 level. So do mark these levels. If you get any good buy candles at this level, any hammer or engulfing kind of candle, we can trade this on the buy side or above this 5135 level. Okay, the next stock is Shobha Limited. Shobha Limited, if you observe the price action in 1 hour time frame, you see that the price is respecting this resistance trend line multiple times, right? If you check the price action in daily time frame, here at this level, let me mark this level. At this level, we got the huge buyers at this point. Again, the price bounced from the same level. Okay, currently, as the price reaches this support level, the sellers are exhausting. If you observe the candlesticks, you see that back to back we are getting an spring top candle, right? In the first half, sellers will be in the control. In the second half, buyers coming into force and pushing the price on the higher side, right? So in tomorrow's trading session, let me go to the 1 hour time frame. If you find breakout above this resistance trend line, if you find crosses this resistance trend line, do wait for the pullback, and with a good candlestick confirmation, you can trade this on the buy side. Either enter at this above the breakout of this 590 level, or try to enter at this 550 level. So you might get buy opportunities above 590 or at this 550 level, right? The targets will be, in case if you are buying above 590 level, the first target should be at 612 and the next target will be 635. So it will be good to enter at this 550 level. My suggestion is to wait for the price level of 550. If you get any good candlestick confirmation, you can initiate a buy trade with the stop loss below 550. The next stock is Torrent Pharma. This is 1 hour time frame chart. The price is actually moving in a symmetrical triangle. I have already marked the support and resistance level. So we got a minor resistance at this point. The price couldn't close above this level. So in tomorrow's trading session, if you find any 15 minutes candle closing above this trend line, closing above this trend line, you can initiate a buy trade. Your stop loss will be below the breakout candle or below this resistance trend line. Resistance turns to support, right? Your stop loss should be below this resistance trend line, and your take profit should be at this level, 3144 level. Your first take profit should be at 3144 level. Your stop loss will be below this resistance trend line. In case of breakout above 3144 level, we can expect another big move, and the target will be open as the stock is at the lifetime buy. So those are the 4 stocks which I have picked to trade on the buy side in tomorrow's trading session. Hope you guys like the analysis behind those stocks. So if you guys like the analysis, do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.